is Hanijin Arson. So I will discuss the product, the brand management, and the pricing management of Tadeco. So one of the product of Tadeco is banana. So Tadeco is one of the biggest banana exporter in the Philippines and in Southeast Asia. Their product were carefully harvested or segregated from those who did not meet the export standards in terms of quality and physical attributes required. With more than 40 years in banana operations, Tadeco has maintained the world-class qualities banana following the enrichment international standards in the industry. Tadeco is one of the recipients of the Global Good Agricultural Practices and the Philippine Good Agricultural Practices certifications, putting for safety and sustainability as a top priority, and was Good Practice awardee in 2014. So the other products of Tadeco is the Abaca fiber. So Tadeco is one of the biggest producers of Abaca fibers during the 1950s before they shifted into banana production in 1969. Tadeco Incorporated is one of the biggest producers Abaca fiber in the Philippines. When the prices of Abaca fiber went down, that is the time that Tadeco shifted into the banana productions. The Abaca is a viral crop to the Philippines economy in a big way. So in fact, it is the world's economy's environmental care as well. For the past half-decade, the Abaca industry helped boost the country's economy from export earnings with annual average of 4.7 billion. So brand management is a function of marketing that uses techniques to increase the perceived value of the product line over the time. Tadeco has become one of the operating business for 47 years. So Tadeco is one of the biggest producers of export great Cavendish bananas in the Philippines and considered one of the forerunners in the Philippines. To maintain the value and the quality of the brand of Tadeco, they acquired strict compliance and committed implementation of local and international standards and principles, adherence to our quality management systems, policies, and ensure the protections and the welfare of the workers, environmental and surrounding communities, meeting customers' requirements, and staying competitive in the global market through innovations and ingenuity applied in our very good farm integrated system called Tadeco Banana Farm. Then strategic planning across all levels in all organizations through constant open communication, feedback, and involvement decision making process, and providing rewards interventions that ensure the motivations and continuous learning. So pricing management. For more than 40 years in banana industry, Tadeco is one of the leading banana companies that has the average yield of 5,000 per hectare per year, 5,000 boxes per hectare per year, compared to the industry average around 3,500 boxes per hectare per year. It approaches the challenges of the consistent of the implementation of our operating procedures that are derived from the innovations and requirements of the customers, brought the company's impressive productions around 32 million boxes from the 20 million boxes. All this while maintaining the net planted area with a record breaking of 33.3 million boxes in 2011. You will see now the pricing of the Tadeco from the fixed cost to total cost and all the way through the cost and return. And this is from the handle, the transform, and otherwise add value of the product in its transformation and journey into the marketplace.